Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL 650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily install its app for your Android device. At first open Play Store. Here go into search and in the search tab search for JBL Headphones. And as you can see, the first app we have is JBL Headphones from Harman Consumer ENC. Here we have to tap install, this button over here, and now we have to wait. It might take a while, so don't worry. It depends on your internet connection and your phone. If you have some older phone, your downloading speed will be slower. If you have a good internet connection and a newer phone, your downloading speed will be faster. And as you can see, now our app is being installed. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.